No scientist has yet, you know, discovered what is the possible happening in the next moment. That's where the innovation starts. What is all the innovation is. So can we predict the future? Can we live the future, much before that it happens? Even that is the innovation. Innovation is making your future happiest happening. The innovation is something that, you're creating your own future. So let us start discussing on the innovation today. And then today we will be covering on various aspects of innovation. Dear friends, working with a great scientist itself is the innovation nowadays. Okay. So I am very fortunate to being blessed by Dr. Kalam sir, a great innovator. The innovator is not always what kind of product he has innovated, what kind of things he has brought to the world. He himself is a great innovation. Sometimes, the great scientists like Dr. Kalam, they people, if you can define innovation, I would say that Dr. Kalam himself is a great innovation to the world because the way he brought the culture of innovation, the culture of creativity. If you could go through his videos, his lectures, you will find that he always wanted people to be unique you and find the creativity in their life. So I would be very happy if you could go through some of the videos of Dr. Kalam, though he is physically not there in this world now, but through his thoughts, through his innovation, and through his inspiration, he is always there. So I'm being blessed. I'm innovator today only because of such great people that I have met. Thank you very much. What is the innovation? The innovation is, can you analyze the problems in a different way? That is very important nowadays because most of the people, even in the depression and even in the mental health issues, even in colleges, even in the schools, even in the families, everyone has a single problem that I have a lot of problems. Everyone says this one, whether he is a working professional or a non-working professional or even working woman or a non-working woman or a house. You ask your mother, she will bring you 100 problems, and then we see the frustration out of the problems. The moment you become happy when you look at the problem, then the innovation starts. Okay, innovation is not running away from the problems. Can you analyze the problems of at least one person in the world? If not others, can you find out your own problem and find out a new solution for that without being afraid of it? Okay, so that is innovation. Innovation, if you can, there are only two ways to look at the problem. One, look at the problem and being depressed, saying that, always worrying, so I have a lot of problems, so God solve the problem, and asking some friend, solve the problem, I have a lot of problems, how to solve these problems. So these problems, and being worried about the problems and always complaining about the problems and the problem makers. So the moment you start looking at those problems as the blessings, wow, what a great problem I have. So can I solve this one in a different way? Can I take a particular person's help? Can I take even universe help? Can I do some, experiments so that such kind of problems, would not affect me and also others? So the innovation is finding a new way to solve the problems, you can say. So if you are the person running away from the problem and being afraid of the problem, then I would say that if you want to become an innovator, start loving the problem, whether it is your own problem or a family problem or a social problem or a product problem or a company problem or a problem in school, college, or anything. So I would request you to love the problem. I love the problems a lot. Okay. That's why, innovation begins. So now, why should we care about innovation? Because the problems that you have faced, it shouldn't be faced by others. A simple answer. Because you are facing a lot of problems, you found the solution and you want to share that solution to the world. Because now you have found a new way of solving this one. Because there was a time that when people were walking with the bare foot, they realized that, the small stones or even the thorns are just, pinching them off. Then they found, why not to wear the sandals? And why not to wear the shoes? Like how that was the innovation. Innovation is everywhere. Don't think that innovation means it comes from, somewhere from the space, or, it is done by only the great people who have done PhDs or being done. Innovation can happen by any person. whether he is educated or uneducated. But if you bring the professionalism in innovation, there won't be any chances of accident. You must have heard some news few days before. A man in India, the young boy of 20, 22 years old, he tried to create a helicopter. You must have seen the videos in television. He created a beautiful helicopter. And but the moment he wanted to lift it up, something happened. And the wheels from backside of the helicopter touched the top wheel, and it touched his you know neck and head, and his head was cut off and he died. So now you can imagine that what a great innovator he was. But due to a small mistake, maybe it is not his mistake. If there was a mentor to him to guide him while doing the innovation, if he has to wear the helmet, he would have saved his life. Mostly such things happen in the innovation. We need mentors and guide in the innovation process, because the innovation process is altogether a new process. People have not seen this one. But if you have a guide with you, the possibilities of accidents are less, the possibilities of success is more, and then togetherness happens and you can do wonders in this world. So that's why we need to care about the innovation. Innovation is a great process. You can be you can be a great person, you will have a great name, fame, everything. But at the same time, it is also a risk. And to avoid that risk, what is the solution? Have a great mentor, okay, in your life, so that the innovation process can be easy. Innovation fixes the world's problem. It's not about only the individual's problem. Sometimes it can be a mass problem. Can you find out the solution for the corona directly? Okay, so can you find out the problem is for the global warming? Can you find out the the solutions for the world biggest problems? So you need to find out the way. What is that I'm going to solve? Sometime it may happen that your organization, your institute will give you that problem to solve. But sometimes being a great initiative or a proactive, I think somebody's
Participants, you are requested to please mute yourself. Santosh, sir, you are host, so you can unmute all so that there is no disturbance.
yeah, I'm in the mood of communication. So
Okay.
thank you so much. So I was telling that innovation fixes the world's problems. Okay, so start loving the problems. Don't run away of it. Try to find out the world's problem as well, individual problems to the social problems and world problems. And then how does innovation happen? It's a beautiful question that, how does it happen? It needs your complete attention, like how the love happens. In the same way, innovation happens. You need your complete attention. Day and night, you need to think of that problem, how to solve this one, what are the various sources, by which I can solve this problem. And sometimes it may not be even the problem. It may be a new technique, it may be a new pedagogy, or it may be a new way of looking at the life. It may be a new perspective. Everything can be innovation. So only thing what you have to be, if you want to become an innovator, is you need to change your perception. Otherwise, what is happening nowadays is the moment you enter into the 8th standard, your only life is to, pass the 8th standard. And the moment you enter the 10th standard, the whole world said that, oh, you are in the 10th standard, don't do that, don't do this. And then you concentrated yourself to just solve one problem, that is 10th. And then same with the MBA, same with your job. It is not the way of, entering into the innovation. When you are into something, at the same time, you need to find out your new you. Your new you. I mean, if your name is, Amol, or if your name is, Aditya. So can you find out the new Amol in you? Can you find out the new Aditya in you? Then the innovation starts. Otherwise, तो चल रहा है, दुनिया चल रहा है, MBA का फर्स्ट ईयर चल रहा है, सेकंड ईयर चल रहा है, थर्ड ईयर चल रहा है, एक दिन वो भी हो जाएगा, जॉब भी मिल जाएगा. ये जैसे सबका चल रहा है वैसे तुम्हारा भी चलते गया, तो इनोवेशन क्या है इसमें? तो कुछ तो नया करो. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि कॉलेज छोड़ के भाग जाओ और कुछ अलग करो, ऐसे नहीं है. कॉलेज करते करते ऐसे कुछ क्या कर सकते हो. Or at the same time, you need to find out a new way, altogether new way to look at the problems. Sometimes it is, sometimes your mind misguides you, saying that, what are, hey Santosh, what are you doing? Look at Google, such a big, big firm. Look at the World Bank, such a big firm. Look at the Microsoft, they are so big, and where are you? You are such a minute thing in the world. And how can you do all this innovation if your mind is guiding in this way? Stop that mind, boost that mind, process that mind, energize that mind, and then innovate that mind, and saying that, you are not less. Build the confidence in you, and encourage yourself to do that, because every innovation started with a minute thing only. Whether it is, HP started in the garage, Steve Jobs garage, it is, see the Google, and then see the Apple, see, the various innovation. Whether you look at the Infosys, you'll find that, every innovation, when it started, it was a minute thing. Then the same thing becomes so big, okay, that it will cover entire world. In this way, the innovation, the capacity of innovation is minute than minute thing, smaller than smallest, and the bigger than biggest it can be when you become an innovator. And then today's innovation is altogether different. Before, when you used to talk about the scientists, you used to think that the scientist is the person, who is sitting in one of the lab, sitting alone whole day and night, and finding out something and coming out with something. Eureka, eureka. In the same way, now today is the innovation, or the world and perception is completely changed. The perception has completely changed. So today's innovation work in a different way. Today's innovation need to be in the interactive mode. You need to come together in a zone where the people are meeting together. You can share your ideas, you can share your problem. Maybe your problems can be somebody's ideas, and somebody's ideas can be somebody's product can be somebody's service can be somebody's organization, and somebody's organization can be somebody's clients, and somebody's clients can be somebody's biggest innovation. So everything is linked together. Don't feel that you are all alone here in this process. Whether in whichever college you are, or from whichever institute you are, it is not your institute, or it is not your mental attitude which decides, the innovation. All you need to do is come out of the blockage or a bondage you have, and start thinking in a different way. Decide that, you can do something in your life, and find out that, and start approaching that. And then, if I have to give my example, when, when the world was running behind, getting the jobs to settle down in the life, I was the one who never thought of that. I thought that, why to settle? Because this life is not for the settlement. This life is there for the innovation. This life is there to love. This life is there to do something new, adventure. So I started looking at the life in this way. So when I looked at education, I didn't start reading the 100 and 1,000 books that people have written, and what they say, what this. Like, when I analyzed the problem, I felt that when rural students cannot access the global education, can I solve that problem? I started approaching that. I started visiting rural kids. At the same time, I started approaching the global experts, and I started innovating the technology and created global classrooms 15 years before. And today, after COVID, that is the reality, to connect schools, colleges, and universities, that which I worked day and night for last 15 years as a global classrooms. It spread in 15 countries as a global classroom model. Since 2010, it was a miraculous product and service. And today, if you look at the COVID situation, the global classroom, even this is the global classroom, bringing people together on one platform to share their knowledge. This was one of the innovation when I did in 2005, and it got national award as well. So there are many innovations. When you look at the problems, we don't have to just, ये एग्जाम पास करने का तरीका नहीं है कि जैसे हम एग्जाम में पास, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया, कुछ मार्क मिला और हो गया, और उस सर्टिफिकेट से हम नया जॉब लेते हैं. लेकिन इनोवेशन ऐसा नहीं है. इनोवेशन का प्रॉब्लम जो रहता है, when you solve that, you will still stick with this one, and it will solve not only your problem but the world's biggest problems. So now, so what is Innovation Hub? So Innovation Hub is a platform, whether it is virtual or a physical. We have a physical hub here in WeWork, Magarpatta city, Pune, and then you are most invited to visit us in the innovation hubs. It creates constant opportunities for innovators to teach each other. Because young entrepreneurs, as I said, that they need lot of guidance. It is not just exam to solve the, problems. It is a platform where you can share your ideas, where you can look at yourself, you can look at others innovation, and creating the startup hub, and creating some new ideas, and registering the entity for that, and how to get the funding, who will use that. So many things are there. It's not just a half an hour lecture which will cover everything, but it is again creating a startup hub. What is startup? Startup means start something, start doing something, create your own entity, seed something, incubate it, make it big, and expand it towards the world. You know, Anu Renu Thokada Tuka Akasha Evada. Saint Tukaram Maharaj has said this one. Mind, even the smallest thing can be the biggest thing in the world. Okay. In fact, you can prove that by doing this one. When I had started something, to innovate, it used to be very, very small things. But when I started analyzing and bringing it to the world, I tell you, even much before COVID, I could help government to connect all the hospitals, connect all the police stations, connect all agricultural hub. How could it come up? It is not just by getting the payment or somebody's order which makes the innovation. It has to come from your heart. The social care, self-love, social love, family love, the love towards the world in a different perspective. Then you can become a scientist. Then you can become the innovator. It is not your PhD. It is not your degree which makes you a great person. It is your intents. It is your concentration. It is your management technique. Most of the people in India, especially, they don't know the management. Just by learning few managerial books, it doesn't mean that you become a manager. You have to bring discipline in your own self, whether it is communication, whether it is presentation, whether it is expansion, whether it is scaling it up. Can you bring the proper management systems in that? So I would love to have a workshop with you on this one. So how can a society build a culture of innovation? We need to build a culture of innovation, because you take the example of menstruation. Okay, the girls' menstruation cycle. People used not to talk on that. Now we started talking on that, and now girls started getting the great support. Otherwise, till generations, for thousands of years, they were not supported for the entire cycle. They used to sit outside in some families, even in the Brahmin families. They were untouched in those period time. But now the world started accepting, not only accepting, they started realizing, because most of the men, they didn't know what it is. So bringing innovation means what? Can you give the different perspective to any problem, whether it is the problem of human being, or whether it is problem of the coexisting, even living beings, whether it is a dog, a cat, or anything. See, if you could ask me, sir, what is the scope of innovation? I would say infinite. I would say infinite, not only 99% or 100%. It is infinite, opportunities for infinite possibilities. That is innovation. Okay, dear friends, in the lecture, because lectures are all enough. We have heard lectures for years and years, from first standard, from KG to PG, only lectures are happening. But can interaction happen? Can innovation happen even in such kind of interactions? Then the new things could come up. Otherwise, being a listener, you will just listen, and you will switch off the leave the button, and then again you will go and forget. That is not the way of learning. When you are learning something, be involved in that one. The more you are involved, more innovation is possible. Otherwise, untouched elements are, just the Saint Kabir used to say, Aya Vaisa Gaya. Means he comes and he just goes. No meaning in that one. But the moment you come, can you do something over there? If not for others, at least for yourself. Can you innovate your new you? Can you create your new you? That is something which is very important. Otherwise, they did this, I did that. They said that, I did this one. All enough. Good that you hear from others, but can you find out something, a new way to solve one or other problems in the world, so that the life is not meant to just complete the degrees and get the job, and get one or two cars and one EMI based bungalow, and then setting up the things. This is not the life. Life can be defined in a much better way. Even your one day can be celebrated in such a way that the people who live 100 years cannot celebrate in that way. So that is also the innovation. Okay, innovation is not just for the products. Innovation is not just for the mobiles and TVs and the satellites. Innovation can be also for the human being. Innovation can also be for your own mother. Innovation can be also for your own sister. Innovation also can be your own brother, father. Okay, try to analyze what kind of problems they are facing. So can you set it, can you fix that? That also can be innovation. The global innovation is something that can you solve the world's problem. That is global innovation. And to do that, we have formed global innovation hub here and a startup ecosystem in India, in Bengaluru, in Pune, and in Mumbai, and in US, Germany. So it is required to be global now. So I let you all to speak now. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask me. If I know the answer, then only I will answer. Okay. Otherwise, I will study it and then I will get back to you. But you be free to ask. I hope you are not, because I heard that, Suni sir, I heard from the education system that most of the students, they used to put the Zoom on and they go here and there. That is not the education. Okay. Take the advantage of every possible happening. If Zoom is the reality today, live that reality in such a way that the universe should say that what a great attendee he is, what a smart way you can attend even the Zoom meetings. Otherwise, putting it on and doing certain other things and just sun raha tha. तो सुन रहा था, देख रहा था, कर रहा था, इससे कुछ नहीं होगा. क्या कर रहे थे, कैसे सुन रहे थे, how you can present yourself to the world, that is very important. And let us start interaction now.
Sir, you said you have the Office of Global Innovation Hub in Magarpatta. So, sir, can I visit that hub and what can I learn over there by investing my time?
Yeah, thank you very much. The Global Innovation Hub we have set it up in the WeWork. It's a global office again. And then here we have Global Innovation Hub, and here we have created the ecosystem where the investors and where the startup creators, many founders, many CEOs, okay, many students are coming together to share their ideas. Even the people who in the ground level who are doing something for the children facing the issues, even they are coming. It is not that only the great people has to come like a business people. Okay, it is the hub where the problem the people have and the problem people solve both can come together, and the people who can invest money to solve that, they can also come together and solve this one. So this is called as the ecosystem, the startup ecosystem. So we have built here, and you can come with your friends, try to understand what it is, and then do some wonders in your life. Otherwise, MBA होने के बाद या कुछ भी डिग्री होने के बाद पहले क्वेश्चन फैमिली का भी यही रहता है कि कब जॉब मिलेगा, कुछ भी एक जॉब लगो पहले, बिकॉज दे फील सिक्योर्ड व्हेन यू गेट जॉब. लेकिन बट एट द सेम टाइम दे आर मेकिंग यू इनसिक्योर्ड. जॉब नहीं मिला तो ऐसे देखते हैं कि जैसे हमने कुछ गलती किया है. दैट परसेप्शन हैज टू चेंज. नहीं तो उसको इतना मिल रहा है, इसको इतना मिल रहा है, ये छोड़ने का. बिकॉज समटाइम अ मैन हैज हिज ओन वे ऑफ गेटिंग इनटू द थिंग्स. We cannot always live the comparable lives that उस लड़के को देखो, उसको इतना जॉब मिल गया, उसका पेमेंट देखो. ये जो कंपैरिजन में ना इनोवेशन का पॉसिबिलिटीज भी निकल जाता है. वो छोड़ो, इनोवेशन का तो छोड़ो, ह्यूमैनिटी का भी पॉसिबिलिटी निकल जाता है. एक मशीन जैसे काम करता है ना, जब तक वो थकता नहीं जैसे वो मशीन, और एक बार थकने के बाद वो रिटायर्ड होता है. और ये नहीं होना चाहिए. इवन इन द 9 to 5 job, it is not bad, we need to even face that 9 to 5 job also can be lived in an innovative way. ओके, बट नॉट, अगर नहीं चाहते तो मत करो, लेकिन अगर चाहते हो तो उसमें भी इनोवेशन करो. यही कहना है.
Santosh
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I
Thank
would
you, sir.
like to ask you one question. See, Government of India, Honorable Prime Minister Modi sir, wanted to implement the new education policy. So my question is, what are the prospects for startup and innovation in new education policy for our, say, 11, 12 students or graduates or postgraduate students?
Wonderful question.
What are the possibilities?
The possibility.
And is it possible? Is it definitely there are possibilities, but you can throw a light on how we can implement it, or how we can inculcate the same, this type of culture among the students.
Wow, what a beautiful question. Thank you very much for asking this question, sir. In fact, this is the question which bridges the gap between education and industry. This is the question which bridges the gap between, the innovation and education. Such kind, such kind of questions are very important because do this, saying this is very easy because many policies had come even before. What is new in this policy? Trying to understand that, and also can we solve it innovatively? Otherwise टिक मार्क किया जैसा हमने ये किया, हमने उधर विजिट किया, हमने इनका लेक्चर किया, हमने इनसे बात किया, हमारे बच्चे जाके आए, इससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Again it is like a new way of, tick mark. This tick mark methodology has to stop. And can we engage student whether he is 1 or 100 or 1000? Can we give that opportunity for our students as a mass and also individual? Because always the mass way will not solve all the problems. It may happen that one student may come to you and say that, sir, I want to learn something in the photography. So can you connect me with best photographers? And can you give me an opportunity so that I can do something new in the photography? In that way, maybe his education, ongoing education is nowhere related to photography, but still he is coming to you as an enthusiastic personality. Then it is your way. ये वो क्या फोटोग्राफी के पीछे भागते हो, उससे अच्छा तुम एग्जाम पे ध्यान दे दो. ये डायलॉग छोड़ के, हाँ रुको, संतोष तड़गटी नाम के एक लड़का है, नहीं तो कोई अपने अभिजीत सर करके, नायर सर करके कोई है, तो उनसे जाके मिलो ताकि आपका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाए. If I can solve the problem, I need to solve that. If I cannot that, can I delegate that problem to someone else so that his problem may be somebody's innovation and his problem may be somebody's hints and ideas and process and possibility. So the answer to this one is yes, the new education policy can inculcate lot of innovative ideas. In fact, not only ideas like how you invited me today, such innovators can be part of your education system itself, to look into that education system, not only to solve and ये गलती क्या हो रहा है सर एजुकेशन में, ये चाहे कॉलेज हो या स्कूल हो, सिलेबस कंप्लीट करने में ही लगा हुआ है सभी लोग. वो चाहे कितने भी बड़े बड़े बातें हम कॉन्फ्रेंस में करें, लेकिन रियलिटी इज एग्जामिनेशन, रियलिटी इज स्कोर, रियलिटी इज जीडीपी, रियलिटी इज ओ. अगर ये जो इतना सब कुछ ज्ञान होने के बाद वही अगर वो करने वाला है, तो इससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. Can we bring that change? It need not have to be the biggest and well-known and world biggest university to bring the change. It can be a minute school as well, which can even Dr. Soni sir, I have great regards for you. Even I am the person who benefited a lot of things from you as well, because I know that the financial the knowledge that you give me, I didn't approach you like a regular class student. I approached you in altogether way, in innovative way. In 3 days, you had solved all the questions. In fact, you gave the new way of solving that. That is innovation. That is innovation. Innovation need not have to be तुम मेरे एक साल का कोर्स करो तब तुम इनोवेटर बन जाओगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So NEP has to realize that it is not only syllabus which will make a human being as a great human being. It has to give a new possible ways of accessing the labs, accessing the innovators, accessing the entrepreneurs, and also the industry is also, it is not only education which has to solve all the education problem. It is society. In fact, we Global Innovation Hub or the different foundations or the government agencies need to approach you saying that, sir, हमारे पास ये problems है, क्या आपके बच्चे ये solve कर सकते हैं? Can we collaborate with you? Not only NAAC accreditation के लिए collaboration दिखाना, ये दिखाने का काम छोड़ देने का. Can we do it really? So can we collaborate with you for the entrepreneurship? Can you give me 10 such managerial best students who can be future managers and future innovators? Then the NEP takes a big and great shape. Okay, this is what I feel, sir. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Santosh. Any other questions? Participants, you are requested, please take the benefit and ask your questions or doubts.
You can ask, you can openly ask, don't miss the opportunity. Yes. And come on the video, it's only 2, 3 and 2 teachers and 1 student who is there on this one. It itself is the failure of the education system, just for your information. Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Abhijit here.
Uh,
Yeah. First of all, thank you for the excellent, illuminating that ideas, so innovation and all. Just one question that many students keep on asking me, or many, I am the CEO of the academic group, and so they come on asking me on that one common question is that, like, I'm particular to startups, like they have a internal apprehension and fear that I have got the idea, I have got innovative ideas and all, I have passed out from IIT and all, I have got all the domain knowledge and skills, but I don't want to settle into a normal 9 to 5 job, I want to do a startup. But the apprehension is that if it fails, the finances and all that I put in at the start of my career, I'll be nowhere. So how do you will you address that? Because this is one of the thing many times it has come to him. People have asked me also.
this is in fact a wonderful question, and the greatest question that all parents has and also all students have. The answer to this question is, can we make them courageous? Students, the failure is the chance to make you courageous. Always don't think that it is success which will make you the great personality. I tell you, it is your failure that will make you a biggest personality and the greatest personality. In fact, the strong personality. If you don't lose hopes, if you don't crush yourself with a mental illness, aisa ho gaya, aisa kuch nahi hota hai. Look at me, I was bankrupt almost for 10 to 15 times and I celebrated my bankruptcy. Say that, oh God, look at myself, take care of me. Nothing happens. Nothing happens even if your bank balance has completely zero balance. Nothing happens. Never worry about this one. Nothing happens if your idea fails, because even that failure is also a teaching. It is very easy to say this one, but I have realized that because when you fail, it is maybe you are misinterpreting it as a failure, but it is not failure at all. It is not at all a failure. In fact, it is a great bridging stone. In fact, it is a strength which is, giving to you for the next possibility. Never stop yourself, because there is no word. I don't know who is that person who created the word failure. Who is that person who created the word bankruptcy? There is nothing like that, because the moment you become zero, then there is a possibility of becoming hero. Even in the digital technology, it is always 0 and 1. If it is only 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, see why we are successful, because somebody fails. Okay. And why I am failed, because somebody is going to be successful. So don't worry about your success and don't worry about your failure. Both are just illusion. ओके जैसे भगवत गीता में कृष्ण कहते हैं ना कि तुम रिजल्ट का चिंता मत करो, तो बहुत लोगों को प्रश्न पड़ता है कि ये क्या बोल रहा है, इतना बड़ा भगवान होकर रिजल्ट का चिंता मत करो। और हमारे स्कूल में पढ़ाता है कि रिजल्ट लाओ, और हमारे पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं कि अच्छे रिजल्ट लाओ, 90% लाओ, और एक भगवान बोलता है कि रिजल्ट के ऊपर ध्यान मत दे दो। तो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग हियर? कृष्ण इज नॉट मैड पर्सन, इन फैक्ट ही इज द ग्रेटेस्ट, द डिविनिटी. व्हाट ही मीन टू से इज, don't worry about your results, whether it is failure or it is success, but do your duty in such a way that it can be the great helping stone for the next success. In this way, if startups are energized, नहीं तो स्टार्टअप को फंडिंग मिल गया क्या, नहीं तो स्टार्टअप फेल हो गया तो बाकी फाउंडर्स का क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं होगा, जो होगा अच्छा ही होगा. I tell you, with this mentality, I started working on startups. Today, I personally have 6 startups, and I'm helping 1,000 startups through Global Innovation Hub. Still many startups are coming up. Before I used to think and worry about only one. Now millions of people are approaching, and I feel very happy because I don't let them suffer in the way I had suffered. But in fact, I got to know that it was not sufferance. It is a way forward to save the humanity for being crushed in anything. Okay. Sometimes your sufferance is the solution for others. Sometimes your failure is success for others. So try to love your failure as well to become successful in the real world.
Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening. In this regard, if you permit, I will just share one incident yesterday. What happened is that, and there have been many, because it was a first-hand experience. Yesterday, there is a exhibition going on in Conrad Hotel in Pune. So yesterday, being a holiday, we decided to go with family and see what is there all around. So it is a nice exhibition. A lot of jewelries and all shops were there. And I happened to meet one person, Mr. Mandy. He's MTech. And after that, he decided to do something different than not go for a 9 to 5 job. He did some research and he found Jalandhar. If I set up a plant for this ladies' dresses and all, it is production is very cheap. but he didn't put up in his shop. What he thought in 5-star hotel in Pan India and Asia, there are almost 70 exhibition in a year. It's happening 3 to 4 days, almost covering the entire year. He is doing only the exhibitions, and the pricing, whatever the product cost, because I had I requested him, I had a cup of coffee and discussed that what is the model you were working on. So the production cost, whatever ultimately revealed, 4 times more he is getting in the exhibition, because it is a five-star hotels, and all niche crowd are coming there.
Yeah.
So one dress which is costing around production 600, he's selling at 3,500, after discount 3,000.
Wow.
And he is making reasonably good crores of rupees in this, and he travel pan Asia and 17A. So I was really impressed by this. After doing MTech, he thought in a different way, and initially, yes, he admitted initially 2-3 exhibition he could not sell a single product, but slowly he learned the nuances, and the failure, the word I also do not believe, as you said right now, that he didn't get it into his head and find out what went wrong, rather than giving up. What went wrong, whether it is a pricing or the strategy of this thing. Now he is a successful man. So this is what is very important for all of us to keep in mind. So this is just yesterday it happened. I thought I will share it with you. Thank you.
Example, because such examples we need to share. Otherwise, we think that the great industrialist and people are always successful from the first day. It is not like that. You take the example of Infosys; they even faced a lot of issues. Then only it became this one. And not only the companies, even individual persons among all of us, we have faced. Even if you take your own example, you couldn't become CEO just for the namesake. There's a journey. There's journey for that. When did you start? How did you start? Even to reach that itself is again an innovation, innovation or innovative journey. So thank you, sir. Thanks for bringing this. Any other questions, dear friends?
Students, I request all of you to come out as a golden opportunities.
Sir.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, Vineet. Huh?
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Mr. Vineet Karande. I'm actually a principal of junior college. So here's my question actually. You said you have to be courageous to become an innovator, right?
Yeah.
I mean, how is it important for any individual? Is it the idea which is more important for any startup or innovator, or is it the risk-taking ability of that particular individual or the character which gives the result in the rather we can say in the consequences in the whole process? So what is more important, believing in your idea, or it's the risk-taking ability?
Both, the both. If you have Mercedes car, you must know how to drive it. Otherwise, even Mercedes car can be, nowhere within few seconds. You must be a great driver as well to have the great cars. It is always equal, always it is both. It is always the doer and what you do. It is always your idea, and it is always the person who has that idea. Both have to be very strong. In fact, even if idea is not strong, it is okay. But the person who has that idea has to be very strong. क्योंकि नहीं तो घबरा के जो बातें करता है, अरे बाप रे इससे कैसे मिलूं, इसको पिच कैसे करूं, और ये इससे बातें करूं, इससे ना बड़े-बड़े आइडिया भी छोटे-छोटे बन के पिघल जाते हैं. ये नहीं होना चाहिए. It is like a marriage. शादी किया और हम अपनी वाइफ को हम संभाल नहीं सकते तो क्या यूज है? ठीक है, अगर शादी करते हैं तो उसको संभालने का, और सिर्फ संभालने का नहीं, उनको इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी देके उनको भी जैसे तुम बड़ा बनना चाहते हो वैसे तुम्हारे पार्टनर को भी तुम लाइफ में इतना बड़ा स्टेटस ला सकते हो क्या? नहीं तो घर में बिठाओ बेबी को और तुम दुनिया घूम के आओ और कहते हो कि मैंने शादी किया. इससे शादी नहीं बोलते. सेम थिंग अप्लाइज इवन इन द स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम. कीपिंग आइडियाज इन योर किचन एंड सेइंग दैट आई एम अ ग्रेट मैन, नो यूज. Bring that idea into the world in a better way. Give a great status to that idea. उस आइडिया को इतना बड़ा बनाओ ताकि दुनिया में उसको रिस्पेक्ट मिले, और अगर उसको रिस्पेक्ट मिलेगा तो आपको भी रिस्पेक्ट मिलेगा और दोनों का डेयरिंग बढ़ेगा. नहीं तो आइडिया को हाइड करे और आपको एक्सपोज करे नहीं चलेगा, और सिर्फ आइडिया को एक्सपोज कर रहे हो और आप पीछे पीछे भाग रहे हो नहीं चलेगा. दोनों को ही साथ में आना पड़ेगा. इट इज लाइक दैट्स व्हाई इट इज पार्टनरशिप. जैसे लाइफ पार्टनर रहता है, स्टार्टअप में भी पार्टनर लगता है. What is that partnership? It is not partner means always a human being. partnering with your idea, partnering with your thought, partnering with your mindset, partnering with your courage, partnering with your presentive techniques, and partnering with a great person who can support you either financially or psychologically, mentally. Even he or she can also be called as a partner in the startup ecosystem. And I would request you, whenever you are doing the startup journey, take a partner always. Okay, whether he is your sir, teacher, or she is your sister or a friend, anybody, but take one person who can believe in your thought. क्योंकि उस बिलीफ से ही आदमी को मोटिवेशन मिलता है. Always we are not self motivated. We need someone always to motivate. अच्छा किया. अगर आप स्टेटस में रखते हो कुछ पिक्चर, एक भी मैसेज आता है कि स्टेटस अच्छा है, तब उस स्टेटस का सार्थकता लगता है. नहीं तो स्टेटस 1000 रख रहे हो और कोई पूछता भी नहीं है, तो इसका ये नहीं है. तो एक अप्रिसिएटर, ट्रूथफुल अप्रिसिएटर, नॉट ऑलवेज द डोमिनेटर, एक लगता ही है, उसके वजह से आपके स्टार्टअप बड़ा होता है, ना कि आपकी आइडिया, ना कि आप. तो ऑलवेज बिलीव इन द पीपल हु कैन मोटिवेट यू. इट कैन स्टार्ट विथ योर ओन मदर, फादर, ब्रदर, सिस्टर, फ्रेंड and teacher. Okay, believe in them. And believe me friends, if you take the help of such a person who may not be even directly or indirectly connected with that idea, he can be the influencer to make you the great person in this life. Vineet,
Thank you. Thank you.
do you agree with this?
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
Santosh
Sir.
sir, I have, okay, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, to be I have 6 months left with my MBA, so and I will have also SIP in future. So what will you recommend to build skills and to tune my mindset as an entrepreneur mindset in a upcoming journey of 6 months or 8 months?
See, Amol, this is a wonderful question, at the same time scary question. Don't put yourself compartment of 6 months. मुझे 6 months से मैं क्या करूँ? 6 months में मैं साइंटिस्ट बनूँ, क्या मैनेजर बनूँ, क्या इंटर्न बनूँ, या प्रोफेसर बनूँ, या क्या बनूँ? वो 6 months को निकाल दो, 6 months को भूल जाओ और खुद को एक स्पेस दे दो. स्पेस दे के पूछो अभी मुझे क्या करना है लाइफ में. भूल जाओ कॉलेज खत्म होने वाला है 6 months में, वो क्यों इतना कंपार्टमेंट करते हो? अभी डिसाइड करो. Take your 1 day or 2 day and decide that whether you want to become an entrepreneur or whether you want to become a job holder. Job में भी innovation हो सकता है. ऐसे मत सोचो कि job करने वाले सभी entrepreneurs नहीं रहते. In fact, it is all because of the job holders who are helping many entrepreneurs to become entrepreneurs. नहीं तो criticize नहीं होना चाहिए, नहीं तो ये गलत हो जाएगा. ठीक है कि एक job करने वाले entrepreneurs नहीं रहते, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. Job करने वाले भी entrepreneurs खड़े कर सकते हैं. So the time to you is why people fail is blocking themselves. मुझे 3 महीने करके देखना है, नहीं चला तो मैं वो कर दूंगा. ऐसे नहीं चला तो अगर जो कोई ऐसे गणित मैथमेटिक्स डालते हैं उनसे वो फेल्यूर फिक्स है. वो कंपार्टमेंट से निकाल दो और पूछो कि नेक्स्ट मुझे अभी ये करना है लाइफ में, तो व्हाट इज द जर्नी आई वांट टू गो फॉरवर्ड. whether it is your own idea, if you have idea, go ahead with that. If it is your own money, if you have money and invest in something, ask the people like me or the Abhijit sir or Shri Prakash sir, sir मेरे पास इतना पैसा है सर, मुझे जॉब की जरूरत नहीं है अर्निंग के लिए, लेकिन मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ? ओके, सो money is the reason for innovation, whether you have it or you don't have it. So make a helping reason, okay, not the blocking reason for anything. What the same thing with other aspects also. Thank you. So without blocking yourself, just go ahead. 6 months क्यों? हो सकता है 6 years में जो तुम करना चाहते हो उसमें सक्सेस मिले.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I would like to ask you one question. Can our ED cell, entrepreneurship development cell, we can say collaborate or do something in association with your global hub or with your organization, with the help of your organization? And what type of activities or what kind of activities our students can participate or contribute for the same?
You are most invited, sir. In fact, I am looking forward for such days. In my life, I have visited more than 3,500 schools, sir, physically, and have trained millions of children. I'm very fond of children, whatever age they are of. It is primary, secondary, and even Kalam sir used to tell that if you want to do innovation, take youngsters with you. Okay, it is not and youngsters means not always by age. by knowledge we have to be youngsters always. Okay, otherwise if 40 के ऊपर कोई सबको बाजू में रखो और सिर्फ 40 के अंदर जो है वो यंग है, ऐसा नहीं है. So the knowledge is always, knowledge is important, age नहीं है, knowledge में age है, knowledge ends with age always, the word knowledge. So we need to can we create the ecosystem? We can associate, first of all, yes, MOU is possible. Yes, it is possible. Collaboration is possible. Yes, it is possible. Only for tick mark? Not at all. Not at all. And then how it benefits? It benefits to give the global exposure to the students. And the new thought is, नहीं तो क्या है, वही bookish knowledge से नहीं बनेगा दुनिया. अलग-अलग बातें करने वाले लोगों को हमें साथ में लाना चाहिए. क्योंकि education is not something that which one institute takes the responsibility or one teacher take the responsibility and proves that I did it. It is not that. The human being that he is developing or an institute is developing, that student, whether he is Amol or Indrani, I don't know who all are there here, so Akash or Ganesh, so nobody knows, no science knows that what is their future. But one thing is sure, that their future is with all the world. And if all the world is responsible to build their career, build their life, and build their innovation, so can we connect with the world directly from now? So that is the thought here about the Global Innovation Hub. So we have multi-layered programs here, right from ideation, right from innovation, right from creating the startup hub systems, and also how to help these startups economically and also mentally. It's not always economy which brings the change in the world. It is also the mental support, and more than mental support, it is inspiration and motivation, and also discipline, managerial discipline. तो इतना बड़ा होशियार आदमी है, लेकिन कुछ मैनेजमेंट की फेल्यूर की वजह से बड़े-बड़े इनोवेशन किचन में रह जाते हैं. So management is also there in the innovation. That's why it is called as innovation management. नहीं तो इतना डिस्कवर करने का नॉलेज है, लेकिन but he doesn't know how to sell it. No use. He knows how to sell it, but he doesn't know how to connect with the world of innovators. No use. So what is management? The management is bringing everything together, organizing it in systematic way, whether it is through documentation or through communication or through certain processes. Thank you, sir.
Yes, participants, any other questions?
Yeah, we have.
Do you have any other questions?
Yeah.
Please go ahead. If you have any question, queries, doubt, or any ideas,
I want to
do
really
something.
give a reality check. How many of you are really existing in this out of 42? Okay, can you give me the reality check by at least raising your hands or coming on the videos? So I can see only 4 to 5 people here. And then Miss Mili Punjabi is there, and then this Mrunali is there, Dr. Sachin sir is there. So हाँ बाबा कुछ तो है है कुछ लोग है. Now people are there. Okay, and okay. These many are, this is the reality check. This what इतने लोग तो है, 9-10 लोग तो सुन रहे थे. And then, okay, any question? We have 4 minutes now. If you have anything, you can, it's not only a question, you can also share something with me if you have something to share with.
You can share your incidences, your experiences if you want to share.
Yeah. How many of you wants to become an innovator, first of all? कोई है जो इनोवेटर बनना चाहता है?
Amol, Sanjeevni, Ponu. More students, they have raised their hands.
Nair sir, I invite you to our Global Innovation Hub here, established in Bengaluru also, and in Pune also we have. Okay, please come and we can have a detailed discussion. बच्चे बोलना चाहिए, उनको we need to.
Sure, sir.
Otherwise, mostly Indian students are missing the opportunities, especially in expressing their ideas.
Right.
Very talented. Their talent is divided into other way out. So we need to guide them in a beautiful way. Yes, thank you so much, all of you, for giving me an opportunity to be with you.
Yes, Santosh, let me formally propose the vote of thanks.
Yeah.
I take this opportunity to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of Academy Education Society, my founder, president, Mr. Abhishek Bokeh sir, President Vibha Bokeh madam, CEO, Director Sachin Kulkarni sir, all the staff members, students, and the participants. I really thankful to Santosh Targatti sir, and he has spent his valuable time for us, and he has immediately given the consent, ready, agreed to deliver this session. So really thankful for this great session, Santosh sir. And definitely we will be in touch with you in future for our students. Once our students will get back, very soon our institute will going to open like all other institutes as per the norms of government. And as soon as students will come to the institute college, we will definitely contact you for say future things. Okay. Thank you once again. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
We'll
Namaste.
look forward to
so
more
much.
sessions, sir.
Enjoy your life. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.